Wow, my God. What is that, my friend? Look at this, my friend. So muddy. Alright, let's take it out, my friend. See? Lot of muddy car here. Let's go. We are going to clean them up. Okay. No problem, my friend. Deal pen, my friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go, my friend. A green water. But this is fresh. Alright. Wow. Which one to first? How about this one, my friend? What is this? Look. Muddy car. Okay. Wow. This is double cabin Jeep, my friend.
I think I'm going crazy. Don't think I'll get on safe, so I'm taking 6 shots on.
Okay. And what is this? Amazing, my friend. The blue one. Nice.
Hey boys, stay with me. And Flo, what'll happen if no one can come to your station to buy gas?
I'll go out of business.
Oh my God. Yes, it is. Kiha, kiha. And this one, what it is, my friend? See, this is a series. Oh, God, set it nice. Very nice, set it. Okay. Very nice, my friend. And about this one, my friend? Okay. Take a look, my friend. The red one is the Pie Rescue. Pie Rescue. Very nice, my friend. And what is this? This is, oh, Jackson's Stone, my friend. Very good. Oh, wow, clean already. And this one, what is it? Wow, tile.
Pat!
Tile!
What's going on?
Over there.
Huh?
You blue one, tile, my friend. Very nice, amazing, my friend. Okay, let's see what it is, my friend. Woohoo! This is Meat Queen, lighting Meat Queen. The red one. Okay, very good, my friend. And what is this, my friend? Let's see. Oh my God, this is a loader. Okay, clean already, my friend. See? Alright, and this is what it is, my friend. Let's see. Clean up. The yellow one, this is Ramirez. Como está, Ramirez? Very nice, Ramirez. Beautiful. Wow. Woohoo. What is this, my fella? See? This is Chief, my friend. Beautiful. Amazing. Okay. And this one is kind of... What is this, my friend? Let's see. Alright, this is a ready car. No problem, clean already. Ready car. All sold in my plan. And this one is oh wow, this is almost my friend. Very nice, Thomas. Whoa. And this one, what is this? Haha, this is whole matter.
No, I can't do it. Look, nobody takes me seriously. I know that now.
Wow. Beautiful. Amazing. Matter. What is this? See. Whoa. This is now tractor. clean, my friend. Okay. Whoa, the big one. What is this? Haha. Big truck, my friend. Okay, nice. Alright, what is this, my friend? See? What is this? Wow, this is drag grass, my friend.
71.4, but we watched this guy go down a racetrack, the nitrous engine, all those kits.
Very nice, my friend. Good. Beautiful, my friend. Okay. This one, what is this? Whoa, this is Captain of America. There. Alright, this is amazing. A monster truck. Bigfoot. Alright, well, beautiful. And this one is so, let's see, everybody know. This is plane, my friend. Very nice, beautiful. Okay, and this one is the red color of Payo, my friend. Payo. Oh, minibus. Alright, what is this? Ooh, king of the jungle, my friend. Lion. Okay, lion. Oh, my man. And this one, the green one, is a Tioga.
Wow!
Logie, can I take this with me?
Of course!
Wow. Alright, Payo. And what is this, my friend? Wow. Steel rally car. Okay. A rally car. This one is uses for a gold mining. Big truck, my friend. Very good. Okay, the last one, see? No more? Okay, three up. White one, police car, my friend. Alright, see? It's clean already. Bye-bye, my friend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.